In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Deriv using MetaTrader 5, also known as MT5. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials inside the dashboard. I want you to hover on the section that says My Trading Accounts. You can choose from a real trading account or a demo account. In this case, we're choosing the demo. For us to be able to create an MT5 account, whether it's real or demo, scroll down until you find the option that says Add More Accounts. Click on it. Now all I have to do is select a trading account for your MT5. You can choose from any of the following. In this case, I'm going to choose the MT5 or the MetaTrader 5 Financial. Click on it and what will happen is you'll be forwarded here. All I have to do is simple. Click the red button that says Activate the Demo Account. Now enter your password and click the Continue button. And just like that, your MT5 account on Deriv has been successfully created. If you want to view your account, you can do so, but let's start trading by opening the MetaTrader 5 terminal, or you can open the MetaTrader 5 app on your computer. It's up to you. Once your trade is open, you can monitor it from the toolbox section at the bottom right here. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to trade on Deriv using MetaTrader 5. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.